Hold on a second. Let me just put another coin in and see what happens.
Please push the start button.
There we go. Here's my McDonald's changeables. My Isabella. I really love Isabella. My Furby Furblet. Lollyworm from the Busy World of Richard Scary. And Twilight Sparkle. And Bucky. Not good. The motor's really loud. It just has change sound effect in it. The buttons do not do anything. It's just the joysticks. Stand up, Lollyworm. I love you, bud. Oh, it didn't say, thank you for riding with us, come back soon. Never mind. By the way, they used to have the Cat in the Hat Kiddie ride I really loved, but it's now gone and it's been replaced by this. Trail Boss, which is a user credit card now, sorry guys. I don't like kiddie rides with credit cards, but what the heck, it's 2026. Didn't mean to break the fourth wall of a year.